Imagine holding a camera that turns every second of your life into a cinematic story. A tiny device that captures not just what you see, but what you feel. The energy, the motion, the emotion, and turns it into something unforgettable. That's what the new DJI Osmo Action 6 is all about. It's not just another camera, it's a revolution in how we record life. DJI has taken every piece of feedback from creators, travelers, vloggers, and adventurers and built something that truly understands what users want: power, precision, and pure freedom. The Osmo Action 6 is sleek, compact, and tough, with a rugged body that screams durability and premium design. It feels like a camera made for explorers, yet polished enough for professional creators. From the moment you touch it, you realize this isn't just about specs, it's about experience. The dual touchscreens are bright and ultra-responsive, letting you control your shots effortlessly, whether you're standing under the desert sun or deep underwater. And when it comes to performance, DJI has gone all in. The Osmo Action 6 shoots in glorious 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you breathtaking slow motion that captures the tiniest splash of water, the flicker of sunlight on metal, or the smile of a moment that's gone too fast. The footage feels alive, fluid, rich, and bursting with life, thanks to DJI's advanced image processing engine that delivers colors so natural, you'll swear you're seeing the world in high definition for the first time. And then there's the stabilization, the mind-blowing rock-steady 4.0 technology that makes even the most chaotic moments look buttery smooth. You could sprint, climb, jump, or tumble, and your footage will still look like it was shot on a tripod. It's so good it feels like magic, like having an invisible gimbal that anticipates every move you make. DJI has practically eliminated the need for external stabilizers, freeing creators to shoot wherever inspiration strikes without worrying about shaky footage. And for those long recording sessions, DJI tackled another big problem: overheating. The Osmo Action 6 has a new thermal management system that keeps the camera cool even during extended 4K shoots. You can film in the heat of the desert or under bright studio lights and still get flawless performance. The microphone system is another quiet revolution, redesigned to capture crisp, clear, and balanced audio even in windy or noisy conditions, perfect for vloggers who want professional sound without bulky gear. And let's talk about waterproofing. This camera dives deeper than ever before, up to 18 meters without a case, which means you can take it straight into the ocean, pool, or heavy rain without hesitation. That's deeper than most action cameras on the market, and it's a testament to DJI's engineering precision. The dual touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back, make this camera a dream for solo creators and vloggers. You can frame yourself perfectly, adjust settings instantly, and review footage on the go with zero lag. The responsiveness is buttery smooth. Every touch feels instant, and even under harsh sunlight, both screens remain perfectly visible. The Osmo Action 6 feels like it's built for real-world use, not lab tests. Battery life has been massively improved too, up to 2.5 hours at 1080p and about 70 minutes in full 4K 120 FPS, which is outstanding for such a small body. But what really changes the game is its charging speed. In just 18 minutes, you can recharge up to 80%, which means a quick break at a cafe or on the trail gives you more than enough juice to keep shooting. It's fast, reliable, and efficient, the kind of performance that makes creators fall in love. And then there's the intelligence built inside. The Osmo Action 6 comes with horizon balancing that keeps your footage level even if the camera tilts or rotates. It has a smart color temperature sensor that automatically adjusts white balance in real time, whether you're shooting under warm sunset tones, cold mountain light, or underwater blues. You don't have to fight with settings, it just knows. And when it comes to mounting, DJI's magnetic quick-release system is back and better than ever. It's stronger, faster, and locks with a satisfying click that feels secure. Switching from a helmet mount to a chest mount or tripod takes seconds, making it easy to keep up with fast-moving action without missing a moment. Creatively, the Osmo Action 6 opens doors you didn't even know existed. With hyperlapse, time-lapse, slow motion, and horizon-steady features, you can create sequences that look straight out of a professional film. Every movement, every color, every transition looks intentional and cinematic. The camera's AI-enhanced processing boosts dynamic range and contrast automatically, so even the most unpredictable lighting conditions come out looking spectacular. The DJI Mimo app, redesigned for speed and simplicity, connects almost instantly, allowing you to preview, edit, and upload from your smartphone. The connection is faster, the transfer is smoother, and the app's built-in editor lets you trim, color correct, and share your clips without ever touching a computer. For social media creators, that means one thing: speed. You can shoot, edit, and upload in minutes, keeping your audience engaged without delay. Cloud syncing also ensures your footage is backed up safely, so you never lose those perfect moments. Now let's talk competition: GoPro. For years, GoPro has been the go-to name in action cameras, but with the Osmo Action 6, DJI has seriously changed the game. DJI has listened to users, refined every element, and delivered a camera that feels smarter, more reliable, and more creative. While GoPro still struggles with overheating and battery limitations, the Osmo Action 6 powers through with efficiency and consistency. It's not just about catching up, it's about surpassing expectations. The color science on DJI's side feels more cinematic, more human. It's not over-sharpened or oversaturated, it's beautifully balanced. You watch your footage and it feels emotional, real, and alive. And that's what sets it apart. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't just capture the world, it captures the feeling of being there. Every shot feels immersive, like you can smell the ocean, feel the wind, and relive the moment. For travelers, creators, athletes, or anyone chasing memories, this camera is more than a gadget. It's a companion that keeps up no matter where you go. It's designed to disappear so you can focus on the story, not the settings. Imagine mountain biking down rocky trails, diving under coral reefs, skating through the city at night, or climbing icy peaks. The Osmo Action 6 never blinks, never stutters, never misses. It's built to endure extremes and still deliver cinematic quality every single time. In a world obsessed with specs and pixels, DJI focused on something deeper: storytelling. This camera isn't about outgunning others. It's about empowering creators to tell better stories, faster, and with more emotion. Whether you're making YouTube videos, travel vlogs, sports reels, or family memories, this little device makes it all effortless. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker to create professional-looking results. Just hit record, live your moment, and the Osmo Action 6 does the rest. It's that intuitive. And the best part? It's affordable compared to the professional rigs it rivals, making high-end visuals accessible to everyone. The world doesn't need more footage. It needs stories worth watching, moments worth reliving, and emotions worth sharing. The DJI Osmo Action 6 gives you the power to create all that and more. It's a masterpiece of design and technology, wrapped in a compact frame that's ready for anything. So, if you've ever dreamed of capturing your adventures in the most beautiful way possible, this is your moment. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just the next step in action cameras, it's the leap forward everyone was waiting for. It's your new travel buddy, your creative partner, your silent storyteller. Wherever life takes you, from city lights to mountain peaks, from the calm of the ocean to the rush of the road, this camera is ready. It's not just recording your life, it's redefining how you remember it. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is here, and it's more than just an upgrade. It's the future of action storytelling, built for dreamers, doers, and creators who believe that every second deserves to